All right, 18-19 Optic Shock Mega. Coming at you guys. Every single rookie shock. Let's see who's hitting them. Luka, Shaji, Trae Young, MPJ, Cavs is LeBron, Bucks. Who's Brunson's Dallas. Dang, Dallas is a good one. Clippers, Shea, Trey. Good luck, everybody. Big chase on the top spots. Mackenzie. Nice hit, Mac. Guaranteed Luka the Don. See how that thing's looking. Gonna pump it up. Big shock.
So whether this was a foul on the former LBB, I thought I saw a foul on both bodies. But I've been wrong. Not much. Not much. I haven't been wrong tonight. I'm not wrong today at all, Chris. Okay, I'm trying to tell you. If you don't believe me, ask my wife. I'm not wrong much. I'm learning. Working next to you. All right, so this is a big call here. After review, the defendant James Harden splits Beal lead, which is basis SQBR. This is an unsuccessful challenge. Brandon Beal
Pump it up. Right there, all you squads, let's do it. Should we go packs first? I guess we'll go packs first. Right now what we're getting. Buddy, Steph Curry, winner stays. Troy Brown Jr. rookie. Kumpo, Damian Lillard, franchise features. Yeah, Marshawn Brooks. Let's see how these rookies look. Mikal Bridges. The Trey. No print line on it. Some Moritz, Wagner, Spielman. Kogi, Svi. Knox, Devontae Graham. Triple J, Jaren Jackson. Memphis Raymond. That's good, no print line. It's Anthony Costas. Red Velvet. It's MPJ, no print line on it too. Nice. My Denver Nuggets. We'll see, bird. D'Anthony Melton. Sexton. That's what this calf. Nice, good looking Sexton. Chris, Jalen Brunson looks good. Nice. Alright, 1 for 1 so far, Mac. Need that Luka to be in good shape. Can't remember where they're at. Evans. Woo! Looks real good. Nice, Mackenzie. No print line. Centering looks good. Centering looks good. Nice, Mac. Aaron Holiday. Last one. Alright, let's see. How's the Shea look?
Substitutions each way. Clippers right now with a smaller lineup in defensively. 19.7 left. Cut it to 2. Chicken and egg.
Trier, Lonnie Walker. There's Miles Bridges. He's been playing well. Oh, looks good too. It's for Charlotte. It's David. Diallo, Wendell Carter, Javon Carter, Saul Bagley, Robert Williams, Hutchinson, San DiVincenzo. Good one. That's for the Bucks. Shea G, nice. No print line. All right, nice. Nice hit, Chris. That looks well centered too. Good box. We opened a couple of these. They all have that thick print line on them. The first couple had it. Brucey B. Come on back to the Nuggets, man. Mo Bamba, Ellie Shamet, Aiden. So Aiden looks good. The Suns. Nick's Core G. Grayson Allen and hooping. That looks good. Kirk Smith. Sure, Jerome Robinson, Jared Vanderbilt. Those are fun, man. Guaranteed rookie hits. Congrats to the big chase of team hitters. That was the 18-19 Shock Mega #1. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.